To run an agency a decade ago, you needed a massive physical footprint. You had to lease office space, buy professional cameras and lighting rigs, and hire a room full of highly credentialed employees just to get off the ground. That physical overhead meant customers paid exorbitant premiums. Recently, a luxury travel agency quoted a staggering $60,000 simply to build an itinerary for a family vacation to Thailand. This chart shows how the market is tightening. Customer acquisition costs are increasing, with paid ad CPMs on platforms like LinkedIn having spiked nearly 40% year over year. As those ad costs climb, profit margins are getting crushed. Businesses are searching for high-converting services to survive, but they can no longer afford to pay for the overhead of a traditional agency. What used to be considered a business asset, desks, offices, and massive headcount, has become a financial liability. Into this economic vacuum steps Anthropic. They are the makers of Claude AI, a company now valued at $380 billion, and they are providing a way to bypass traditional labor costs entirely. The engine behind this shift is Claude's 200,000 token context window. This acts as a digital workspace where you can upload entire brand libraries, your past scripts, and stylistic frameworks in seconds. Because Claude can synthesize this data to produce high-value deliverables, like complex scripts and code, the work that used to require a physical studio and a production team is moving to the cloud. When your output is digital, the multi-million-dollar physical workspace becomes obsolete. Let's look at how this breaks down, starting with the Persuasion wing. This is the high-ticket, direct response copywriting department of the digital studio. The process is mechanical. You feed Claude high-converting frameworks, like the Stephen Georgi method, and brand guidelines. From that input, you generate video sales letters commanding $25,000 per project, or weekly B2B newsletters on a $5,000 retainer. Clients aren't paying for raw words. They're paying for the execution of proven persuasion structures that convert their expensive traffic into revenue. Next is the persona engine. This department handles executive LinkedIn ghostwriting and profitable faceless YouTube channels. But there is a hurdle. Platforms are now actively suppressing mass-produced AI slop. If you just copy and paste raw output, the algorithms will likely bury your reach. The solution is the hybrid personal brand. Claude acts as the synthesis engine, structuring the argument or the script, and then you layer in personal stories and human edge to bypass automated detection. This combination of human direction and AI synthesis is the defensive moat that keeps content appearing authentic and engaging to the algorithms. Finally, we have the architect division. This is where raw text generation gets packaged into structured, real-world assets. This includes high-volume consumer services, like charging $200 to generate optimized dating profiles, or formatting automated children's books for Amazon KDP using AI-generated illustrations. But the ultimate offer is building $50,000 course systems for experts. You package the entire curriculum, the marketing funnels, and even a custom 24/7 AI coach trained specifically on that expert's methodology. The greatest wealth is generated by packaging these AI capabilities into finished, autonomous systems rather than selling your labor by the hour. Consider this. One operator in Japan recently made $13,000 in a single month using nothing but a $20 Claude subscription. When a single tool can output work that previously required a specialized department, the cost of specialized labor effectively disappears. You are no longer a solitary freelancer. With these tools, a single person at a laptop has the production capacity of a massive digital agency. This is labor arbitrage. Massive wealth flows to the individual who bridges the gap between zero-cost AI generation and the high-ticket desperation of corporations. The current opportunity with Claude is nearly identical to the internet boom of 1995 or the YouTube gold rush of 2015. The people who built fortunes during those eras simply recognized a technological shift and acted while others were still skeptical. Low-effort AI generation is being filtered out, but the market for highly paid AI creative directors is wide open. To take advantage of this, you need to claim a niche and open a project today. If you find this valuable, please make sure to follow and subscribe. Rise Race.